The 2020-2023 Lincoln Aviator key fob uses a CR2032 battery. When your fob's range decreases or buttons become unresponsive, it's likely time for a replacement. This is a simple DIY task requiring only a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opener tool. First, locate the small slot on the fob's edge, usually near the key ring. Gently pry open the fob case, being careful not to damage the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation, positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, then snap the case back together. Test the fob to confirm it's working with a typical range of 30 to 50 feet. To ensure a long-lasting replacement, always use a genuine CR2032 battery. This prevents voltage mismatches that could damage the fob's electronics. Extreme temperatures, especially cold weather, can accelerate battery drain and reduce functionality. Consider replacing the battery every 2 to 3 years, or sooner if you notice reduced range or unresponsive buttons. Dispose of the old battery responsibly by recycling it at a designated facility, as lithium batteries require proper handling. Keep the fob dry to prevent corrosion from moisture ingress. While physical key fobs are still common, automotive trends are moving towards digital keys integrated with smartphone apps like FordPass, which allows phone-based unlocking and starting. Newer Aviator models even support ultra-wideband technology for precise location-based unlocking, potentially reducing reliance on physical batteries in the future. However, for 2020 to 2023 models, manual battery replacement will remain relevant.